They're doing it. They're doing it. They're doing it.
1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level expected in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? Camp, Inland Septic, Delaware beaches. When? From noon to 8 p.m.
Oh my God.
Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways.
Oh my God.
Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Additional details.
Let me see this here. So, Kent, this is what I'm getting now. Newcastle, Salem is next. Then Cumberland. Then Camden, Gloucester, Burlington, Delaware, Lower Bucks, and Philadelphia. And then that's it. God damn.
You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at water.weather.gov/AHPS for additional water level and flood impact information for your local tide gauge.
We're not done because we're going again. Yes.
The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather
Cumberland.
Service for the following county: Cumberland, New Jersey.
Yes.
What? 1 to 2 feet
then
of inundation above ground level
Bucks,
expected in low-lying
Philadelphia
areas
should
near
be next.
shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? Cumberland, Cape May, and Atlantic coastal Cape May. When? From noon to 8 p.m. Friday. Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways. Many roads become impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur.
Oh, and Mercer too.
Additional details. Additional coastal flooding is likely into the weekend, especially in the back bays. A coastal flood warning means that moderate or major tidal flooding is occurring or imminent. Be prepared for rising water levels and take appropriate action to protect life and property. Follow the recommendations of local
It's
emergency
not even for me
management
yet.
officials. Do not drive your vehicle through
I'm still
flood
not in
waters.
it.
The water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at water.weather.gov/AHPS.
Are these guys 1050 maybe?
Delaware, Philadelphia, and Lower Bucks.
I think they're 1050.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast.
I'm going to be expecting the other two over here. Mercer and like the other big one. Camden, Gloucester, Burlington, Delaware, Bucks, Philadelphia. And Mercer. So those will probably be coming in the next 20 minutes. So, yeah.